Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Spanish. I'm Josefina, your Spanish teacher, and today we are diving into part 2 of our Discord tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the premium membership features available at Daily Spanish. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use the platform and make the most of its amazing features. Before we get started, if you haven't watched part 1 of our Discord tutorial where I explain the basic structure of Discord, I highly recommend checking it out. As a premium member, you'll have access to all the features available in the free membership plus some exclusive benefits. The categories in premium are organized based on different levels of Spanish proficiency, including all levels, beginners A1, intermediate A2 B1, and advanced B2 C1. Each category contains channels and activities tailored to your specific level. Let's start with the All Levels category and its channels. We have Premium Announcements, Foro de Gramática, Audiobook, and Club de Conversación. In the Premium Announcements channel, I'll keep you updated on new features, upcoming events, and other important information for all premium members. It's a channel dedicated to broadcasting information, so you won't be able to write here. You can see in this sample how I share information about an upcoming speaking session where all levels are welcome. Foro de Gramática, or Grammar Forum, is where you can ask your grammar questions and receive quick answers from our teachers. To ask a question, simply click on Post, write your question, and a teacher will provide you with an answer shortly. In the Audiobooks channel, you'll find a new episode of an audiobook released every week. Each episode comes with an exercise to test your comprehension skills. Currently, we are working with the book Lola Lago. To complete the exercise, click on the thread below the episode. In the Club de Conversación, you have the opportunity to participate in scheduled live speaking sessions held every 2 weeks. These sessions are designed to expose you to a variety of accents and cultures, as each session is led by a teacher from a different country in Latin America or in Spain, ensuring a diverse and enriching experience. In addition to all levels category, you'll also be part of one of the different levels: beginners A1, intermediate A2 B1, or advanced B2 C1. Let's take a look at what these categories offer. The chat room is an exclusive space designed specifically for members of a specific level. Here, you'll have the opportunity to get to know the other members of the group, learn from one another, and plan sessions to practice speaking Spanish together. It's a great place to engage in real-life and informal writing practice, receive feedback and corrections from qualified teachers, and learn and remember useful vocabulary by putting it into use. Within the vocabulary channel, you'll receive lists of words centered around specific topics. Your task will be to write a short text or phrase using the newly learned vocabulary. This exercise will help you remember the meaning of words effectively and enhance your understanding of word usage. Ideally, you'll also send a voice message reading the phrases out loud to get feedback on pronunciation. The Listen channel provides you with the opportunity to engage with short audio recordings. These recordings can be authentic or specifically adapted for students. Your task will be to listen to the audio and answer a related question. As always, you'll receive personalized feedback and corrections. In the Reading channel, you'll have the opportunity to engage with short stories and explore various reading exercises. These exercises may involve answering questions about the text or reading out loud and submitting a voice message for the teacher to assess your pronunciation. The teacher will also send a recording reading the text out loud for you to listen and imitate. The Pronunciation channel focuses on improving your pronunciation skills. You'll be given short texts, phrases, or isolated words to focus on your pronunciation. It's a great opportunity to communicate more clearly and effectively in Spanish, develop a better ear for distinguishing Spanish sounds, build confidence in expressing yourself orally, and strive for a more native-like fluency in Spanish. The translating channel presents phrases or short texts that need to be translated from English to Spanish. Engaging in translating exercises helps you increase your vocabulary, reinforce your understanding and application of grammar rules, and become more confident with verb conjugations. Within the Grammar channel, you'll find grammar theory to help you reduce common errors and express yourself more clearly and coherently in Spanish. Best practice is to read the theory and then go to the translating channel for the activity. In the Conversa or Speak channel, you have the opportunity to talk with Spanish native speakers in private or have a conversation with other students at your same level. If you want to find a conversation partner, make sure to write in the chat to let people know you're available for a call. For example, you can write something like, Hola, ¿alguien quiere practicar español? Podemos hablar en el canal Conversa. Estoy disponible ahora o también a las... This translates to, Hello, does anybody want to practice Spanish? We can talk on the Conversa channel. I'm available now and at... By the way, you don't need to have the camera on during these conversations unless you want to. You can fully immerse yourself in the language without unnecessary distractions. Practice Spanish while you're in bed, walking around, or cooking. Relax and learn. If you are too shy to participate actively, you can also join the Conversa or Let's Speak Spanish channel in the community category as a listener. You can send a message in the chat saying, Hola, no puedo hablar ahora, pero quiero escucharlos. Muchas gracias. This translates to, Hello, I can't speak now, but I want to listen. Thank you very much. To send a message, you need to hover on Let's Speak Spanish channel name and the message box icon will appear. Now, you might be wondering, will joining Daily Spanish help me improve? And the answer is absolutely yes. By engaging in these activities daily, you'll experience noticeable progress in no time. However, it does require your personal dedication and effort. The key elements needed for success are consistency, commitment, effort, and more. Embrace these qualities and let Daily Spanish guide you towards your language goals. Together, we can make it happen. Don't forget that you can also get extra practice in the general chat. Learn vocabulary, Pregunta del Día, and Let's Speak Spanish channels. Our volunteer native Spanish speakers are looking forward to meeting you and helping you out. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact us through the Contact Staff or Call with Staff channels. We are here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.